Hello students, I hope you all are fine. You all know that in the first part, I had started with kinds of sentences for class 9th and 10th. And I had told you all that after that, I would have continued with this chapter as transformation of kinds of sentences. So we'll start with the transformation of kinds of sentences. Like yesterday when I taught you all 4 types of sentences, that is assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory. So now we will start with the transformation of these sentences. So the first one is changing affirmative into the negative sentences. Changing the affirmative to negative sentences. An affirmative sentence is basically a simple sentence with no negative words in that. जो अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस होता है वो एक सिंपल सेंटेंस होता है और कोई भी नेगेटिव वर्ड उस सेंटेंस में होता नहीं है, तो हमें इसी सिंपल सेंटेंस को अभी नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में चेंज करना पड़ेगा. तो सो यू हैव टू स्टार्ट विद दिस 3 रूल्स. मेक यूज ऑफ ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स. तो ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स मींस जब आप अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को यूज कर रहे हो नेगेटिव में चेंज करने के लिए, तब आपको ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स यूज करने पड़ेंगे. सेकंड, द मीनिंग. उसका जो मीनिंग है डज नॉट चेंज. ये मतलब है इसका जो मीनिंग है वो चेंज होता नहीं है. कोई सेंटेंस का मतलब नेगेटिव में सेम होना चाहिए. एंड थर्ड, मेक यूज ऑफ नेगेटिव वर्ड्स सच एज नो, नॉट, नन, नथिंग, नेवर. जैसे मैंने आपको जब फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ सेंटेंसेस पढ़ाया था, मैंने वहां पे आपको ये दिया था इन राइटिंग में कि नेगेटिव वर्ड्स में हमको वर्ड्स ऐसे यूज करने, नो, नॉट, none, nothing, never. So you have to use all these negative words when you are changing. जब आप affirmative negative word में change करते हो तब आपको negative words का use करना पड़ेगा sentence में. जैसे आपको यहाँ पे first sentence में बता रही हूँ, he is a poor man. ये affirmative sentence है, एक simple sentence है, तो जब आप उसे negative में change करेंगे तब क्या होगा? He is not a rich man. तो मैंने यहाँ पे पुअर का जो ऑपोजिट वर्ड है रिच, मैंने वो लिखा है और मैंने उसके आगे क्या लगा दिया है? नॉट. मींस इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इट इज द सेम मीनिंग बट ओनली वी हैव यूज्ड द ऑपोजिट वर्ड और मैंने एक वर्ड यूज किया वो है नेगेटिव वर्ड. तो ही इज अ पुअर मैन. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को हम जब नेगेटिव में यूज करते हैं तो ही इज नॉट अ रिच मैन. इसका मतलब है कि ही इज अ पुअर मैन itself. सेकेंड जो है एवरीथिंग इज पॉसिबल. अफर्मेटिव सब कुछ पॉसिबल होता है. सो इन द नेगेटिव मैंने क्या यूज किया? वापस नथिंग इज पॉसिबल का वापस मैंने ऑपोजिट वर्ड यूज किया है, वो है इम्पॉसिबल. तो आपको ये याद रखना है कि जब आप अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस को चेंज करते हो तो नेसेसरी है कि आपको ऑपोजिट वर्ड लिखना पड़ेगा, उसका मीनिंग चेंज नहीं होगा और नेगेटिव वर्ड्स का यूज करना पड़ेगा. तब आपको पता चलेगा कि अफर्मेटिव टू नेगेटिव में कैसे चेंज करना है. सो दिस इज दैट यू हैव टू बी लिटिल केयरफुल व्हाइल चेंजिंग अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंसेस टू नेगेटिव. मींस अफर्मेटिव को जब आप चेंज करो नेगेटिव में तब आपको पता रहना चाहिए कि आपको ये वर्ड्स का यूज करना है और ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स का यूज करना है. So students, now we try some of the sentences of changing the affirmative to the negatives. So let's start. The two materials are the same. First you have to know where is your opposite. Supposing same, so you know that the same word will change to the word different and you have to make use of a negative word. So we'll write the answer as the two materials are not different. So my answer is the two materials are not different. So I have changed the affirmative sentence to negative by putting the word not and adding the opposite of same, that is different. So the two materials are the same. इस दोनों materials same है, ये affirmative sentence में बताया और negative sentence में मैंने वही लिखा है the two materials are not different. इन दोनों अलग नहीं है, तो मैंने यहाँ पे मीनिंग जो है चेंज नहीं किया है. सेकेंड वन, he is unhappy with the gift. Affirmative. Now unhappy, you have to know what is the opposite of unhappy. It is happy. Again I made it a negative, but I have not changed the meaning, but I have only written the opposite of unhappy, that is happy, and put the negative word, that is not. Now we come to the third one. Trisha is careless about her work. Affirmative, अब वापस उसको आपको negative करना है. Trisha is careless about her work. तो careless will be what? Careful. So your answer will be Trisha is. We'll have to use a negative word. What is that? Negative word आपका क्या है? Not. Careful opposite हो गया careless का. About her work. So you have made this again a negative sentence. आपने इसको एक negative sentence बना दिया है without changing the meaning. आपने meaning को change नहीं किया है, तो careless का opposite क्या हुआ है? Careful. और वापस आपने क्या किया है यहाँ पे? You have used a negative word, that is not. So you can see all these three sentences. Again I am repeating. The two materials are the same. Same का opposite क्या है? Different. But मैंने यहाँ पे क्या use किया है? Negative word use किया है. इसलिए the sentences, the two materials are not different. Now again the second one. He is unhappy with the gift. इसका मतलब है the boy is not happy with the gift. So he is not happy with the gift becomes a negative sentence. Trisha is careless about her work. Affirmative. So now I put a negative and I put the opposite. तो negative का उपचार क्या है? Opposite word डालना है, तो ये हो जाता है Trisha is not careful about her work. That is negative. I want you all to keep writing this in your notebook so that we do not have to continue with this when you start with school. You all will be clear with this. Only if you all have any difficulties, you all can get us to know about it. But you all have to write this till here. So students, just now I did the changing of affirmative to negative. Now I am going to do it the opposite. That's from negative to affirmative. पहले मैंने किया affirmative to negative. अब मैं कर रही हूँ negative to affirmative. So now we'll start with this. When you are using negative word sentences, they contain जो sentence आते हैं negative words में, वहाँ पे आपको words में क्या मिलेंगे words? शब्द no, not, none, nothing, etc. तो इस kind of words आपको negative sentence में मिलेगा. जैसे कि first आप example देख लो. No one liked the food at the wedding. Negative means किसी को भी शादी में खाना पसंद नहीं आया. तो पहले चीज तो आपको इसका opposite लिखना है affirmative के लिए, और जो negative word है उसको निकालना है. तो मैं क्या लिखूंगी? No one का everyone, like का opposite क्या हो गया? Dislike. So everyone disliked the food at the wedding. तब ये हो जाता है आपका affirmative sentence. वापस बोल रही हूँ. No one liked the food at the wedding. This is your negative sentence. जब आप उसे change करते हो, transform करते हो, तब क्या हो जाता है? Everyone dislike. Opposite क्या है like का? Dislike the food at the wedding. तो ये हो जाता है आपका affirmative sentence. The ropes were not strong enough. ये negative है. वापस आपको यहाँ पे negative sentence का word निकालना है, और फिर जब आप affirmative में लिखते हैं तो क्या होगा? The ropes were quite strong का opposite क्या होगा? Weak. So this becomes your affirmative sentence. Again I am repeating myself. The ropes were not strong enough. This is your negative. When you change it to affirmative, you have to remove the negative. So it becomes the ropes were quite weak. These are the rules. Remove the negative words. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, you have to remove the negative words from the negative to make it affirmative. The meaning remains the same. मतलब same ही रहता है. And use the opposite words. जैसे वहाँ पे भी opposite use करना है. जब आप affirmative से negative करते हो, तो यहाँ पे भी आपको वही करना है. आपको opposite words use करना है. Now you will write this down also. purpose. So students, now we'll just try these. Has been tried affirmative to negative. So now we'll try negative to affirmative. Like you can see, I have written I shall never forget my trip to Shimla. Negative. अभी आपको इसको किस चीज में change करना है? In affirmative sentence. So for this you know the rules. We have to use the opposites. Remove the negative. So let's try. I shall never forget my trip to Shimla. So your answer will be I shall always, never the opposite of that, always remember my trip to Shimla. So I shall always remember my trip to Shimla. I have taken the opposites in two places, that is always and remember. Never, always, forget, remember. But my meaning has not changed. In the same way, the second one, we were not aware of the facts. A negative hai, then you have to make it into an affirmative sentence. So we have to change the word to opposite word. We were not aware of the facts. I told you in the first that when you are making an affirmative sentence, remove the negative word. So your answer will be, आपका आंसर क्या होगा? We were unaware. Opposite of aware. Aware का opposite क्या हुआ है? Unaware. So we were unaware of the facts. So I hope you have understood the first transformation, that is affirmative to negative and negative to affirmative. In affirmative, what have you all to do? Make use of negative words in negative sentence. And when you are changing negative to affirmative, you have to remove the negative words while you are writing the affirmative sentences. Now, I will be sending a PDF after this exercise also. So, I hope